Welcome to Summarize Science. Today we are looking at a paper about a tool called Visplot, which helps astronomers decide exactly when and where to point their telescopes. Imagine trying to plan a perfect photo shoot for thousands of stars, but you have to account for the sun setting, the moon's brightness, and even the physical limits of your camera. The researchers created Visplot to solve this by making a free web-based platform that does the math for them. They designed it to be used directly in a web browser, so astronomers do not have to install any complicated software. This makes it perfect for time-domain events, like a sudden supernova alert where every second counts. Visplot calculates visibility windows by looking at things like air mass, moon distance, and twilight times. The tool provides a summary of target-specific hard constraints, such as the maximum air mass or specific hour angle ranges. This ensures that the targets are actually visible and not blocked by the horizon or washed out by moonlight. It even allows for offline periods where no observations are scheduled, perhaps for technical maintenance. One of the coolest parts is that it is hardware-aware, meaning it knows if a specific telescope has mechanical limits on how far it can tilt or rotate. The system uses a heuristic weighting criteria to calculate a total scheduling score for each target. This includes factors like scientific priority, urgency, and the altitude of the target in the sky. It also calculates slew time, which is the time it takes for a massive telescope to physically move from one star to the next. By minimizing this movement, they can squeeze more science out of every single night. The software can also retrieve information for solar system objects like planets and comets automatically. Page 6 shows a great example of the full user interface, including the visibility curves for different targets. The main canvas displays the altitude of objects throughout the night, with dark segments showing when all constraints are satisfied. This visualization helps observers identify viable windows for their research at a single glance. A quantitative summary is also provided, showing how much of the night is being used efficiently. Scheduling an entire night's worth of observations used to take hours of manual work. With Visplot, the researchers found that astronomers can now generate a full night's plan in just a few minutes. The tool can even display a live view from an all-sky camera, overlaying the position of targets on the actual sky. This allows the observer to see exactly where their targets are in relation to things like clouds in real time. Originally, it was built for the Nordic Optical Telescope in Spain, but it has been in continuous use since 2016. Now, it is used at multiple famous observatories worldwide, including the Isaac Newton group of telescopes. The researchers even surveyed users to see how the tool affected their work. The results showed a huge increase in trust and a massive reduction in the mental effort required to run an observatory. Interestingly, it is also becoming a major tool for education, helping students learn how the sky moves without needing a PhD in math. To recap, Visplot is a powerful, lightweight, and open-source solution for modern astronomy. It combines complex physics calculations with a simple user interface to make sure telescope time is not wasted. Looking forward, this could mean even more automated observatories and faster responses to cosmic events. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and stay curious.